Happy vlog day 7.
We're back at it again, making some Christmas stuff happen. I was just thinking this morning, why didn't I do this up in my craft room? I don't know. But now that there's a mess down here, I don't want to move another mess up there. So we're just doing it. I'm gonna get it all wrapped up today.
You want to see something?
What'd you say?
Mom, you have to have this out.
Nope. I can't see if I have that out. You know, I can't see you. Oh, what? Did you make that?
Let's go.
I love it. It's perfect.
Do you want to see something else?
Yes. Oh, yeah?
I picked it.
Oh, leave it on there, right there. Leave it on there and I'll show it. I love that, Layla. That was such a good choice. That looks just like you. Here's Winston's.
Yep.
These are some that were made. Winston's little guy that's broken, but still intact enough to hang on the tree. That one also broke.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And guess what?
it.
I'm trying to see how spin.
Yes.
Suppose I have the tingle hole.
Okay.
All
Oh, I bet that's good. Wow. I love it. There's Rosie's.
I picked it for her.
Okay, are you going to put your new one on? I just can't even handle this. It's so cute.
Do you want to see something?
Yeah.
This is how we put ornaments on now.
Great job. Oh, you're a pro. Cute. Love it, Layla.
It says,
It's really, really beautiful.
Guys,
Okay, I'm loving the tree. The kids put some more decorations on. Oh, I got these pine cones I showed, and I just added a little bow to them.
Guys,
What do you think?
Crackle.
I'm so in love with this. I'm really happy with how it turned out. And Brailee came down and she said she loved the ribbon, which made me really happy because I wasn't sure about that. I also really love the ribbon. I just wasn't sure if
Guys,
I should hang it here. So I originally just got it for Christmas presents. Wow.
Guys, this is a really special doll.
Oh, that was really special. Wow. Great job. I also added some of that ribbon to this tray. This is going to be for the Donuts with Santa. I'm getting all the bows glued. Got all the signs finished up. I made these little candlestick holders
Dad, come see the
for
elf.
our Max, the Grinch's Max table. So we'll put little like, I'm assuming like red candlesticks.
Come see the elf.
Did Jack move?
Yeah.
Oh, are you going to show us this? Why are there just apples all over the place with a few bites out of them?
I do not know.
You do not know? Are you sure? Okay, are you going to show us?
That's a no.
A note. We're sending something to Santa Claus? What?
What
are we sending to Santa Claus? That?
a list.
Are you going to show me the paper? Let's see it. Dear Santa. Oh, you have to put if you've been naughty or nice. What are you going to put?
Nice.
Okay. Have you been nice? Are you sure? And Jack said, checking in from the North Pole, I see you have been naughty, nice, or this is your second chance.
Guys, guess what? We're gonna go to the North Pole.
We're going to go to the North Pole? Why do you think that?
Because it says.
It doesn't say that.
Oh. Who's going to the North Pole?
Jack.
Tomorrow?
Jack is magic, so he can go to the North Pole. We're not magic, so we can't.
No, he could make us fly.
We'll see.
But Mom,
What?
he's not gonna come back.
Yes, he will.
But
He's magic, so he's fast. Okay, got more bows done. I'm going to add glitter to them so that they're nice and sparkly. God, I have so many things all over the place. Anyways, I was going to talk about these little trees. I don't know if you can still find them. I just got them at Dollar Tree. They look like this. If you can't find them this year, watch for these next year if you're needing any little ones. This is also from Dollar Tree, this little tin. What is this base? I don't know. Tin can thing. And then around the bottom, I wanted to add a little more fullness. I also got this from Dollar Tree. So I put that at the bottom. And I'm gluing it. Oh, there's also some foam in there. I'm gluing the leaves down
It's a Fido.
Excellent job.
Spider.
I love it.
Thanks. Mom, can I?
I'm gluing it down, the leaves down, just to kind of help it stay secure. And then hot glue always melts foam. So you can see in the middle here, I poked a hole, but my tree is like wobbly. So then I'm just gonna glue the branches to the middle circle part of that. So it'll be glued, the leaves will be glued to the tin, and then the branches will be glued to the ring around the middle of that.
Can I put this up?
Sure you can.
Right here?
Yeah, absolutely. And I also got these from Dollar Tree, and I just kind of broke them apart so I can fill it in.
This is little.
Yeah, it is a little, huh? And there's a little stand in there. See? Oh yeah, just put it up on the top of it.
Oh! Now I get it. Look. This is a little stand.
Slide it in there. There you go. Nice.
Look, again. It's doing it.
Good job.
Whoa, look at that.
Nice
Is
job.
that what
No, I think that's all we have. You did good. There's not. Okay, we got most of the stuff cleaned up. Now we're gonna go to Gavin's birthday party and see everyone.
Guys, look at me.
Wow, you're so
I
cute.
got a treat.
You got a treat.
To eat.
All right. That sounds good.
High
So many fancy things happening.
heels. And
Look at my slippers.
Oh, Brailee, where have you been? I put up cute. I put up 3 videos without you in them at all.
You probably didn't do very well.
Rude. Do you like the Christmas tree,
I do,
Brailee?
it's so cute.
Brailee said she really liked it. I already said that. It made me really happy that Brailee liked it.
Did you
Like-
see that?
Okay, we need to go. We're already late. That's what Brailee just said. Okay, let's go. Did you get a pen?
No.
Let me see your new necklace. Oh my gosh. Did Grandma Laurie give that to you? She made it. It's very special and you need to take good care of it, okay?
I can't
That's
take it
beautiful.
off at school.
Nope, we don't
Can I
take
see?
it off. And
Oh.
remember where you put it. You're really responsible.
Guys,
What?
this is a necklace.
You want to put it on?
Can I have it?
So beautiful. I super love it.
This is like a sponge, everyone.
Oh yeah, now you can clean the house. That's great.
Okay.
Oh.
It broke.
Winston, did you notice that I finished up the garland on the mantle?
No.
Do you love it?
Mom, it's not
That's it,
open.
Santa's not coming.
Open it.
No! Okay, you guys want to fill out your letters for Santa that Jack left?
Oh, yeah.
You have to make your official, no changing Christmas list. This is it. Nothing changes from this point on. Understood. Understood. So work on it. Really think about what you want.
Can we tell them what do we want for Christmas?
Yeah, that's what you're gonna do right here. So you'll put your
Wait, here. Name.
You'll put your name. Where's your new pen with your name on it? Yeah, that will be a good one to use.
I want this.
I had a few more snowflakes to paint and now they're dry and now I'm done, I think. I hope so. I'm trying to figure out what else I need, but I think that this is it.
Find it closer than me.
I think that my brain has officially stopped working and I can't think about crafting.
No, it's mine.
I still have a few days, so I'm just gonna take a step away from this and hopefully my brain will start working again.
Mom, I can't find it. Somebody took it.
Is it on your desk? I haven't seen it out here. And the other thing that is just so crazy is that I also have to find time to edit the vlogs every day and I forget because I'm not used to doing that. And so then I'm like, oh shoot, what time is it? So you guys know, I always get Vlogmas up late every year. Every year I've gotten Vlogmas up late. I don't think that will show up, no. I'll get you another pen.